So in today's video, we're going to look at Pitch Chapter 2, Part 1. So in this chapter, we'll be looking at the tenor clef and the alto clef, since we have already looked at the treble and bass in previous grades. The C clef shows where the C is on the stave. At grade 4, we learn that is centered on the middle line, so it is called the alto clef. When the C clef is centered on the second line from the top, it is called the tenor clef. Exercise 1. Name the following notes in each four clefs. So we'll first start from treble. So in treble, that's a D, so this would be an A, an F, a G, and this is an E, a C, and D. And this is a G, F, B, then an A, and D. So we're on the alto clef now, so the alto clef would be here as a line. It's the middle line. I'll just erase that quickly. So it's the middle line. So it'll be E. So it's basically just one note down from the treble. So we're going to just put G. Sorry, not one note down, one note up. So this be B, G, B, G, A, F, D, E, A. Yep. Then it will be G, C, B, E. And the tenor is one note below the treble. So we'll do, it's G, E, F, D, B, C, F, E, A, G, and C. And for the bass clef, we have to just work it out as there's no common trick. And we can write dot, 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 and that is C. So it would be, the answers are C, A, B, G, E, D, G, A, D, C, and F. So those are the answers. Okay, exercise 2. Tick one box for each question to show the clef needed to make each of the named notes. So I've got a trick. Our main thing is treble clef. So if an E would be on treble clef, it would be here. So what's one down? It would be the alto clef. And an A would be here, and it's one up. So it would be, what would it be? It would be the tenor clef. And we can use that here, so an A would be up here. It's one up, so it's an alto. A C would be here, so it's one up. Sorry, that was a tenor. A C would be up there, so it's an alto. because one down. A G would be here, so it's one down, so it's an alto. And a D would be one down, so it's up, so it's a tenor. Okay. Rewrite these notes in the given clefs, keeping the pitch the same. So this is a middle D. So 1.5 for middle C, so that would be here. This is a low E. So C, A, F, E. We can't write E here because that won't sound the same. It will be 1 octave lower. So this is a low A. So C, A. This is a high D. So C, E, G. Sorry, C, E, G, B, D. That's it. This is a low C, A, F, E. A low E, C, A, F, E. And this would be a C, E, G, B. High B. C, E, G, B. Okay, last two. So this is a C, A, F, D, B, G sharp. Since we're in bass clef, that won't be a problem. And this is A, C, E, G, A flat, which is near middle C. A flat. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So an enharmonic value is the same note but different ways of representing it. So we could have an F natural or an E sharp, which is that. So we have a D sharp, which is the enharmonic value of E flat. This is a flat, which is normally a G. This is a G double sharp. This X means a D double sharp, which is an A. And this is a C, A, F, E, which could be a D double sharp. And this is a F sharp, which could be a G flat. This is a C, E, G, B, D double flat, which could be equivalent to a C. This is a F flat, which is equivalent of an E. This is a double sharp, which is the equivalent. An A double sharp is the equivalent of a B. This is a D flat, which is equivalent to C sharp. Alright. Exercise 5. Tick one box to show whether the second note is 1 octave higher at the same pitch or 1 octave lower than the first. I'll repeat. Tick one box to show whether the second note is 1 octave higher at the same pitch one octave lower. So this is a middle C, and that's a high C, because middle C would be down here. So the second note is one octave lower. This is at the same, since this is low and this is in this middle. This is the same, since this is high and this is high, because middle C is down there, so this is the same. This is higher and this is lower, so obviously that would be lower. This is down and this is up from this middle C. That's the middle C, so it will be lower, sorry, higher. This is at the same pitch, since they're very close to each other. And this is at the same pitch, because this is bass clef, it's quite low. This is low and that is high, so they're the same. So that is part 1 of pitch part 1.